Electric SUVs are rapidly becoming the future of the automobile industry. Offering a combination of eco-friendly technology, advanced features, and versatile performance, these vehicles are changing the way we think about family cars, adventure rides, and daily commuters. By 2025, electric SUVs will dominate the market, offering everything from impressive ranges to superior technology and luxurious interiors. In this video, we'll explore the top electric SUVs that will make waves in 2025, highlighting their power, design, and the cutting-edge features that set them apart. Performance: 1,020 horsepower with tri-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Range: 348 miles per charge. Top speed: 155 miles per hour. Interior: 7-passenger seating with premium materials, spacious layout, and advanced touchscreen controls. The Tesla Model X is a luxury electric SUV that sets the bar high for performance, technology, and space. With its exceptional acceleration, spacious interior, and cutting-edge features like autopilot, the Model X is perfect for families who want both comfort and high performance.